So it's definitely not bad to let your dog sleep with you. Like that doesn't create some sort of conflict in the dog human relationship, contrary to some dominance theory that's still out there that leads people to, like, unfortunately believe the misconception that their dog will think that they're more dominant or will become aggressive if they sleep in the bed. Like that stuff just isn't true at all. Cool. You want your dog to sleep in the bed with you? Awesome. By all means, do it. Great. You guys can spoon all night long. I would love that. I would love nothing more for you than to spoon all night with your dog. But here's where you need to eliminate the dog sleeping in the bed if you see the following red flags. So if you notice that the dog starts to perceive the bed as like a resource that it's going to guard, meaning it's on the bed and then you come to sit on the bed and it's growling at you, that is immediate dismissal. Like, bye dog, you are off the bed and you are never allowed to sleep on the bed again. I will take away that resource because that's not appropriate. And same if you have like partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. If that person comes over and your dog's in the bed and is growling at your partner, not cool either. Dog just lost the right to sleep on the bed. If you have a dog that marks maybe over your scent and starts to urinate on your bed, that also happens. Nope, they've lost their privilege. So I am all for dogs sleeping with you if you like that, as long as it doesn't cause some other type of conflict. I really value my sleep. I find it difficult to sleep with a dog because my dogs move around and they like lick their leg in the middle of the night or whatever. So I don't let my dogs sleep in my room at all. And there's nothing wrong with that either. Like, no wrong, no right. It's really just a preference. If you're a heavy sleeper and you love to snuggle with your dog, knock yourself out. Here's one more safety concern that I have for people with dogs sleeping in the bed. There's really no conflict when we're dealing with an adult only house, but there's a lot of people that have a dog that's been sleeping in the bed with them a long time. And then they have a kid, they have a human kid. And when the kids get to be of toddler age, 3 years old or so, and they're sleeping in their own room, but in the middle of the night, they wake up and run into mom and dad's room, that can be very startling and frightening for a dog. And in turn, that can be very dangerous because it poses a bite risk to your child. And so if you do have a home with small kids, my advice as a mom and dog behavior expert is don't let your dogs sleep in the bedroom. Don't let them sleep in the bed. That's just a lifestyle change that you're going to need to have to adjust to. Everyone will have to adjust to once you bring a human child into the picture. And that's not something that has to happen immediately, but when your kids get to be of toddler age where they will wake up and they will run into your room, your dog definitely deserves a good night's sleep. And if you become a parent or you are a parent, you'll know exactly what I mean by that. Like, everyone deserves a good night's sleep and we need to get it where we can take it. Put your dog in a crate, have it somewhere secure where it can rest all night long and doesn't get scared by your toddler.